I think it's really important to highlight the significant role we play in shaping the future of healthcare. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics has projected that the employment of registered nurses is set to grow by 6% from 2022 to 2032. That's an impressive figure that outpaces many other occupations. At Rasmussen, our accelerated BSN program is designed precisely to meet this need. It is through the integration of theory and practice that we empower our students. The ability to connect those dots between classroom learning and real-world application is critical in developing the competencies that define what it is to be an excellent nurse. We understand that these clinical experiences provided to our students play such a crucial role in their overall readiness to serve their communities. We are very appreciative of the opportunities our local hospitals and community sites have provided us.
My name is Chelsea. I was a police officer before I came to nursing school and had somewhat of a career-altering, maybe not ending, injury. And I was on the medical support team and was an EMT on the department and did a lot of the medical training. So nursing just kind of felt like a natural progression after that.
My name is Jamie, and I was interested in nursing from a personal experience with my mom. She had sepsis and went into septic shock, and I got to witness the whole medical team come around her and work on her. It was just amazing to see everyone coordinate their care, take care of her, and she's alive and well now.
I'm Andy. I spent 20 years in the Navy as a hospital corpsman, where I did combat medicine and pharmacy technician. And after I retired from the Navy, I stayed at home with my kids and homeschooled them for a little bit, and then decided to get back into nursing.
Yeah, Rasmussen's given us the opportunity to have a lot of different clinical experiences. We started out in long-term care facilities and TCUs, which was a good intro to just passing meds and kind of basic cares without stress of, more pertinent or important health considerations. From there, we went to a rural hospital, which ended up being a good experience that I wasn't even anticipating. And now, the past couple quarters, I've gotten the opportunity to be in big hospital systems, which has been awesome because definitely get to see what the actual day-to-day of nursing looks like.
One day when I was at the rural hospital out in Olivia, I got there super early to be able to follow a patient all the way from checking in for surgery and started their IV and brought them into surgery, prepped their surgery site, and then took them out of surgery and did all the PACU stuff at the end before they were sent home.
A favorite for me was definitely children's. I hope to work in pediatrics one day, and the experience that I got there was invaluable. My preceptor was an incredible teacher, and I got to experience so many different things, from admissions, fresh babies coming straight over from labor and delivery. I got to see rapid response, I got to see NICU team. Everybody, the care that they provide there was incredible, and my experience, I loved it so much.
Being able to provide care while communicating with the patient and just keeping up with all of the components of their care is going on, whether that's like labs or their current condition pain levels and all that stuff while having a conversation with somebody. I think that getting to actually balance those things while you're working on your skills is the most beneficial part of clinical experiences.
When you walk into your job, yes, you're going to be having people helping you, but you get that experience and then you get that confidence to be able to be alone and do things on your own.
Just getting the exposure in the hospitals is super important. Obviously, all clinical experience is beneficial, but the opportunity to actually feel it out, what's actually working on the floor with other nurses has been huge for me personally.
I just recently graduated and passed my NCLEX, and I currently work as a float pool nurse at Ridgeview. I feel like my experiences in preceptorship and clinicals helped prepare me so much because Dean Bromley, actually, one of my first days here on campus, she said, if you take on everything that you've learned in clinicals, if you go out and be independent, if you do all of that, you'll be fully prepared to be on your own as a nurse. And I really took that to heart. And so I feel like I'm able to do more things. I have more skills that I'm able to do because I took that step of independence in my clinicals. So I felt way more prepared.
Thanks for welcoming us there and for allowing us to do the individual work that we were able to do.
Last year, our BSN program achieved a 93% first-time pass rate on the NCLEX exam, and we are proud to build on that heading into 2024. Our job placement also remains really strong for our BSN grads. These outcomes are a testament to the dedication of our exceptional faculty, the commitment of our students, and the strong relationships we have cultivated with our clinical sites. I am proud that we can help meet the growing demand for nurses and nurture a new generation of healthcare professionals who are competent, confident, and ready to make a difference in the lives of their patients.